telling stories, there's something I haven't told you.
What? Oh, that he is Torchwood.
You work for Torchwood. There's nothing Torchwood did, and you're part of it.
The old regime was destroyed at Canary Wharf. I rebuilt it, I changed it. And when I did that, I did it for you in your honor.
Oh. Yeah, they've done a lot of good things. Oh, the lady.
Return to my desk by 2200. This file will be emailed to Torchwood. The Archangel document.
Nice.
It all started when Harry Saxon became minister in charge of launching the Archangel Network.
What's the Archangel Network?
I've got Archangel. Everyone's got it.
Oh, I thought Archangel is just a TV station or something. So that's why he's got eyes everywhere, because he's, you know, he owns Archangel Network, and he can tap on every technology.
There it is. That rhythm is everywhere. Contained in that rhythm, in layers of code, vote Saxon. Believe in me. Whispering to the world.
Damn, man, the master's good.
And we can fight back.
Oh, yes.
Yo, yes, we're fighting back. Oh man, this is just good.
Arthur, look at me. You can see me, yes?
Yep.
What about now?
What?
Oh, yeah.
It's like, I know you're there.
Oh, it's like the perception thing, the one that's in Torchwood. You know, you see that elevator, and yeah, that's why they just they didn't normal people didn't notice them getting in the Torchwood because of the perception thing.
Shift your perception, tiny little bit. Doesn't make us invisible, just unnoticed.
Nice.
Oh, I know what it's like. It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist. That's what it's like.
Oh.
You too, huh?
Well, she knows what's that like. Well, I think the doctor noticed it, but he chose to just, you know, ignore it for now.
Like ghosts.
Because of Rose, because it's just too soon. Nice. Oh man, he really is a genius. He is a genius. Oh, he can see them. Or not. Oh. Oh, her family, her parents.
God.
Don't move. Don't.
I'm gonna kill him.
So to walk up behind him, break his neck.
Now that sounds like Torchwood.
He's just gonna regenerate, right?
He's a Time Lord, which makes him my responsibility.
No, I think they can regenerate if they want to regenerate. Right? Because if every Time Lord can regenerate in their deaths, they shouldn't be extinct. Yeah, really? Is that what it is? They can regenerate if they want to? Not just every time they die, they can regenerate. It's just when they're about to die, they can do it. But if it was an accident, maybe that they don't have time to think or something, so they don't die. They just they don't regenerate. They just die or something. I don't know. So you can just explain to me in the comments what regeneration really is, because yeah, that's kind of blurry to me now.
Does that thing work as a teleport?
Since you revamped it, yeah.
Oh, we can just teleport there. Man, that thing's just so useful.
A ship for the 21st century. For protecting the skies of planet Earth.
Oh. Oh! It's just like a helicarrier! So that's the ship. Oh, that is good. I love that.
Some of my best work. Ministry of Defense.
Oh.
I helped design this place.
Oh. He designed it. Well, he helped design it, so there must be some things here that he tweaked, you know? Maybe the TARDIS is here. Oh, maybe he set traps here.
Valiant.
Oh.
What the hell's he done? Don't touch it. I'm not going to.
What's he done though?
Whoa.
Sounds like it's sick.
It can't be.
Wait, did it?
No, it can't be.
Doctor,
What?
what is it?
He's cannibalized the TARDIS.
What?
It's a paradox machine.
Is cannibalized the TARDIS paradox machine?
Touch the wrong bit, blow up the solar system.
Blow up the solar system?
How are we gonna stop him?
Oh, I've got a way.
I've got away.
Sorry, didn't I mention it?
No.
And in just 30 seconds,
We really don't know what's your plan.
contact.
If I can get this around the Master's neck, cancel out its perception, they'll see him for real. It's just...
Oh. Wait, it's got a perception too? They'll see him for real.
hard to go unnoticed when everyone's on red alert. If they stop me, you've got a key.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I ask you now, I ask of
We have 3 keys.
to join with me.
You're not the Master.
We like the Mr. Master.
We don't like you.
I can be master.
Well, you're not.
You so wish.
Oh, are they gonna kill him in front of everyone?
Where's my master? Pretty please.
Oh, all right then. It's me. Hello. Sorry. I have this effect. People just get obsessed.
Kill him.
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh! The whole world is watching! That's what they say, saying a man getting blown up in front of them.
Peoples of the Earth, please attend carefully. Stop him!
Shit.
Meet at last, Doctor.
Oh, that's why they saw him, because he took the necklace.
And
Once they remove it, they get noticed. Oh.
wait, the perception filter's gonna work on me. And look, it's the girly and the freak.
Oh, he can see them the entire time.
Laser screwdriver. Who'd have Sonic? And the good
Laser
thing is he's not
screwdriver.
dead for long. I get to kill him again.
Master, just calm down.
Oh.
Look at what you're doing. Just stop.
Professor Lazarus. Remember him and his genetic manipulation device?
Oh. Yeah?
Do you think little Tish got that job merely by coincidence? I've been laying traps for you all this time. And if I can concentrate all that Lazarus technology into one little screwdriver.
Oh.
But, ooh, what if I reverse it? Another 100 years?
Teleport. We can't stop him.
Oh my god.
Doctor?
He's so old.
She's a would-be doctor.
The Toclafane. What are they? Who are they?
Doctor, if I told you the truth, your hearts would break. Is it the
I'm just speechless on what just happened.
basically, end of the world.
Here come the drums!
What? Okay, I didn't expect this. It's gonna sound like this. Oh. $6 billion?
Down you go, kids!
What are they? So are they just gonna kill humans? Oh. Man, the people of the world, the humans just can't get a break. How many casualties we have? 1/10. How many casualties we have every year? Oh my god, and they're not just like shooting them right away so that they explode. They just actually just shredding them with those blades or something. Where did what? Okay. Martha stood up and they're looking at her right now and she's about to do something. She's gonna teleport out here. Oh, it's up to you, Martha. Oh my god. This is chaos. This is worse than the Daleks arrive and the Cybermen, because they're actually just destroying everything. Yes, yes, you're coming back. Hell yeah, you are.
So it came to pass that the human race fell, and I looked down upon my new dominion as master of all.
Master of all.
I thought it good.
I thought it good. Oh. Wow. To be continued. That's gonna be next week. Oh my god. I've got chills all over my body. That is insane. Oh, Martha's coming back. But who's gonna help her? Can go to his brother Leo, you know. They still haven't found him. Oh my god. Oh man. The master. He thought it good. He thought all of it and it worked perfectly. You know, just as what he's planned. Oh, but we still have 1 episode left and Martha's gonna find a way and she's gonna kill him. He's gonna go down and Martha will make sure of it, right? Oh, man, what an episode. I really enjoyed this. I love this one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it with me. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel for more Doctor Who reactions. Full version of this is in my Patreon, as well as the early access of the finale. And I think there's another Christmas special or a special episode of Doctor Who. If you want, by the time that you're watching this, I might have already watched it, so if you want to watch it right away, you can go ahead to my page. Links of that is in the description below. Yeah, I'm just really thankful for all of you guys, for all the support. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. See you in the finale of Doctor Who Season 3. Goodbye.
Want to watch more reaction videos? Please click here to subscribe.